Hey guys, it's me Savannah, and I'm sorry if you can't really see through my camera. It's just that my phone's really old and it's starting to be not useful. But I'm sorry to say that I'm not going to be making a lot of LPS videos because I'm going to my trip to Florida. So if you don't see any videos from me for a long time, it's because I'm going to Florida, and I will miss YouTube, but don't worry, I will come back and make more videos. It's just that I'm not, I wish I could bring some LPS with me to make videos, but I can't because they're really small, as most of you know, and they can get lost easily. So because I lost almost all my LPS one time when I went to Florida when I was 6 years old, but now I'm 10, so yeah. Anyway guys, I'm sorry, but yeah, so bye.